What's up, YouTube? Your boy Rusty again, back with another one. Get ready to head to my mailbox, get ready to pick up my intake and my ZL1 rock guards for the car. Can't wait to see this intake, want to see the way the color look, see how it's gonna look underneath the hood, and then probably gonna get this thing installed within the next couple days. Hopefully tomorrow or hopefully Sunday, so I can get that video to you guys. But before we head out, let's get a little cold start action. Swear, man, it never gets old. But if you're new to the channel, remember, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on that post notification bell so you can see every new update to the channel. All you guys are much appreciated, and I thank all you guys for supporting me. We on the way to 500, and can't wait to get to 1,000. Let me close this thing. Like, it's gonna be a journey with this car, and I want to take you guys along with me for the ride. The cover for it. You see the purple. Here's an actual intake. Couple vinyls. Hoses. There's the clamps and everything. It's ready to go. The cover is purple and the actual intake is purple. And of course you got the cone on there, but you won't see the cone because it's going to be covered by the plate. I'm excited. I'm extremely excited. I cannot wait. I saw another guy video, 6.2 Hellcat, of his Hellcat Daytona, wide body Daytona. He already has the Bwoody intake installed, and he did some pulls in it, showed the intake, everything, and it makes the car sound extremely good. So I cannot wait. I know this thing's gonna sound better than ever. Like right now, like I said, it's tamed down because, you know, the stock air intake box. But once you put an aftermarket, whether it's the Bwoody performance or whether it's the leg maker, oh, you bring this thing to life. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna hit up my guy Zach at Taylor Garage, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing installed for you guys within the next couple days. Headed back home now. This is the next day. I had to work overnight, so this is the next day. I'm headed home right now. Me and my guy Infamous, we gonna try to install this thing today, but I wanted you guys to hear it stock before I install the Bwoody. So this is with the windows up. Right now I'm cruising speeds. I'm about to let you guys hear the intake, or hear the way the whine sounds now before I install the intake. I mean, it sounds kind of good, but I could definitely tell that It's not as loud as I want it to be. So I can't wait to get this thing installed. I watched a couple YouTube videos. I think it's gonna be easy to do it. I think I have all the tools to be able to do it. So it should be a quick install. It says it takes about 20. I'm assuming that it's gonna be a little longer than 20 minutes. So we're gonna make this thing happen. I'm gonna let you guys hear it one more time. Is the before. So I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Wait till I get on this turn. Once again, this is the before sound before we install the intake. Super excited. I like the way the intake look. I'm gonna throw some pictures in there so you guys can see it. The intake and the cover, I told you they're both painted purple, and it's gonna be good. I think I'm gonna do my whole engine bay purple, and probably get my supercharger lid painted later. Probably gloss black with purple stripes on it, or I might do it purple, or I haven't really decided yet, so we'll see. Like I said, this is one more time, this is the before. And it's not a bad sound being stock. It's just you really don't get that supercharger sound. You can hear it, but it's not loud enough. I mainly hear the exhaust, which is crazy. Even though I got just the mid muffle and delete. So once I get to the house, probably gonna lay down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get up, and then me and my boy, we're gonna install this thing so you guys can hear it and you can see the major difference of the sound once you add an intake. So like I said before, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell to stay up to date on all the new content. Peace.